Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fiber type and matching components. This prevents loss later. Next, strip the outer jacket and buffer carefully so you expose the 250 micro-m cladding without nicking it. Once exposed, clean the fiber with 99% IPA. Contaminants cause high loss. Then score and cleave to produce a 90-degree, mirror-like end face. A poor cleave is the most common cause of failed splices. Make sure your cleaver is calibrated and that each fiber is handled with tweezers or vacuum pen. Once cleaves are consistent, place each fiber into the Fusion Splicer's V-grooves and use the machine's microscopes to align cores. Proper 0-degree rotary and lateral alignment minimizes splice loss. Initiate a test arc to check for burn marks, then perform the fusion with parameters matched to single-mode or multi-mode fibers. The splicer optimizes current and time, but you may adjust for freshness of electrodes. After the splice, inspect the joint for bubbles or black spots, and immediately apply a heat shrink sleeve or protector to stabilize. To finish, trim any glass protrusions and seat the protected splice in the splice tray with proper strain relief so movement won't stress the joint. Then verify performance. Use an otter or a power meter and light source to measure attenuation, reflectance, and to locate any event. If measured loss exceeds specs, reclean the fibers, inspect and recleave end faces, and resplice. Additionally, check for microbends, improper sleeve placement, or debris in the splicer's V-grooves. Addressing these fixes solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.